You, my friend, deserve this. Happy Mail, delivered straight to your home. A beautiful project for your beautiful home, made beautifully simple and fun. It's called Club Couture, and it's just $19.99 US or $26.99 Canadian. Join, and every single month you'll get an exclusive right-on-trend 9x12 chalk transfer. Check out some of these past amazing designs. And yeah, you can't get these anymore, but you can get in now on this month's design when you subscribe. And the next, and the next. Every shipment also includes 3 coordinating Chalkology paste singles, how-to ideas and video, plus free shipping. And club members get in on secret sales and special promotions all the time. Happy Mail every month, plus great deals. Like I said, you deserve this. You deserve Club Couture. You can sign up today on your independent designer's chalk site.